Look at this. Let's see how quick it can export a 20-minute video. 5 reasons why the ProArt GeForce RTX 5080 is the perfect GPU for creators. Reason number 1, power that handles any creative challenge. 16 gig of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory, 10,752 CUDA cores, and 1,801 AI TOPS give you the speed to edit 8K videos, render 3D models, and work with massive assets without slowdowns. Reason number 2, NVIDIA Studio Optimization. Studio drivers supercharge creative apps like CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, Blender, and more, delivering faster previews, smoother timelines, and more reliable performance for production deadlines. Look at this. Let's see how quick it can export a 20-minute video.
Wow, that's really good.
Reason number 3, Muse Tree integration for instant inspiration. Bundled with Muse Tree, an AI-powered offline idea generation tool that turns keywords or sketches into stunning visual concepts. A perfect starting point for any creative project. Reason number 4, creator-friendly design and cooling. Compact 2.5 slot form factor fits both full-size and small builds, while actual tech fans, vapor chamber cooling, and phase change GPU thermal pads keep it cool and whisper quiet for long editing sessions. And reason number 5, versatile multi-display setup. USB-C connects seamlessly to modern creator displays, dual DisplayPort 2.1B and HDMI 2.1B let you connect up to 4 high-resolution displays so you can edit, reference, and preview your work all at once. So, which feature of the ProArt GeForce RTX 5080 is your favorite? Let me know in the comments.